Okay, good morning, 9th class children. We are already learning about the mensuration sums in 9th. I have already given all the formulas for cylinders, cones, and spheres also. Here I am starting the 10th class sums. Here, the example one is the radius of a conical tent is 7 meters and height is 10 meters. Calculate the length of the canvas used in making the tent if width of the canvas is 2 meters. All of you understand the sum first. Here the given is the tent is cone shape. Okay. Here the radius and height is given for the cone shape. Here radius is 7 meters and height of the cone is 10 meters is given. But this, if any tent is made up of a made up by but a cloth is making with a cloth. So here the cloth is in rectangle shape. First of all, you have to buy a cloth. It is in the rectangle shape. After that, you have to make it as a tent. So here he asked that he purchased the cloth width is 2 meters and he had to ask the length of the cloth to make this tent. Okay, so you had to write draw the cone here. Here the radius of cone is 7 meters, height is 10 meters. Had to draw the cloth. Here width is 2 meters and you have to find the length of this cloth. Okay, radius of the cone is 7 meters and height of the cone is 10 meters. You have to find, first of all, you have to find the slant height. Okay, slant height form. What is the formula for slant height? L is equal to root r square plus h square. Here is r is 7 square plus h is 10 square. 7 7 is 49 plus 10 is 100. 100 plus 49 is 149. But you have to find the square root of 149 here. Put a bar for two numbers here 49. Here only one number is there. Put a dot for one. 1 1 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. And take 49 here. Double the 1 here. That is 2. 22 2 is 24. So we have to put 2 here and 2 here. 22 is 44. 9 minus 4 is 5. Put a 0. Take a point here. You cannot take a point here. Then 2 zeros are there. So I have to double 122. 122. If you are double, it is 244. So here for 488 is 484 is there. So then you get 16 is the remainder. So the square root of 149 is 12.2 meters. First of all, you have to find the curved surface area of a cone. So you have to take what is the curved surface of a cone? Pi r. So the value of pi is 22/7 and the radius is 7. And you have to find the L is 12.2. Here 7 and 7 is cancelled. 22 into 12.2 is 262.4 meters square. So you have find the surface area of a cone. Next you have to find the length of the cloth. So here this area is equal to the canvas area. So A is equal to L into B. Here the area is 268.4 is equal to L into what is the width of the cloth? 2. So here you have to write 2 in the place of B. 2 is here 2 is multiplied, then you have to take the right hand side. It will be divided 268.5. 2 divided 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4. So 134.2 meters as a L. So length of the canvas is 134.2 meters. Okay, I have given another sum for you here. An oil drum in the shape of a cylinder. Already know that oil drum is in the shape of a cylinder. Okay, he is given that the diameter of the oil drum is 2 meters and the height is 7 meters. Next, you have to take to painting the oil drum, take 3 rupees for 1 meter square. 3 rupees for 1 meter square. He asked that what is the charges of painting for 10 drums. 10 డ్రమ్లు వేయడానికి ఎంత ఛార్జ్ అవుతుందో మనం అడుగుతున్నాడు. 1 మీటర్ స్క్వేర్కి 3 రూపాయలు పెయింటింగ్ వేయడానికి తీసుకుంటారట. సో మనకి పెయింటింగ్ వేసేటప్పుడు మనం మొత్తం డ్రమ్ అంతా కూడా పైన కింద చుట్టుపక్కల వేస్తాం కాబట్టి we have to find the total surface area of a cylinder. Here I have drawn the cylinder. Here given diameter of the cylinder is 2 meters. So I have to find the radius. Radius is equal to diameter by 2. So here 2 by 2, that is 1 meter. Now then height of the cylinder is 7 meters is given. So total surface of a cylinder 2 pi r into h plus r. Here 2 into pi value is 22/7 into r value is 1. So I have to put 1 here and h value is 7 plus 1. R value is 1. So 2 into 22/7 into 1 into 7 plus 1 is 8. So 1 8 is 8. 2 into 22/7 into 8 meters square. I have to. Next one, cost of painting for 1 drum is equal to 1 meter square is equal to 3 rupees. So how many meters square are there to how many meters square per, yeah, we get 2 into 20 by 7, 8 meters square are got. So we have to multiply the 1 meter square cost is 3 rupees. Cost of painting for 1 meter square is 3 rupees. So cost of 2 into 22 by 7, 8 meters square is equal to 2 into 20 by 7 into 8 into 3. So you get to 22 to 44 into 8 is 24 by 7. 44 into 24 is 1056 by 7. You have to divide 1056 by 7. 7 1 is 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. You have to take 5 here. 7 5 is 35. 35 minus 35 is 0. We take 6 here. We cannot divide 6, so take a point here. When you take a point here, 0 is there. So here it is 60. 7 8 is 56. 60 minus 56 is 4. Take 0 here. That is 40. 7 5 is 35. So 150.857 as 7 is there. So this is the cost of painting for 1 drum. But he asked in the sum, he asked that the cost of painting for 10 drums. So I had to for cost of painting for 10 drums is equal to 150.857 into 10. Then the point will be moved for 1. Here 1 is 10 is there, so point will be moved for one number. So you get 1508.557 rupees, 1508 rupees and 57 paise for painting the 10 drums.